I got myself a military man, and now I'm almost in hysterics. He has me living on an army plan. You think my corner walls the barracks. It's so peaceful when he's gone, but when he's here, the war is on. My flat looks more like an armory. He takes his bugle when he calls me. At night he's drilling constantly. He's my man of war. When he advances, can't keep him back. So systematic in his attack. All my resistance is bound to crack. For my man of war. He never misses when he brings down his big artillery. For that like kisses and he's a max with such rapidity. His operations always increase. It seems his movement will never cease. At home he always disturbs the peace. He's my man of war. I'm always there in the battle front. Crazy for action, he's on the hunt. You're sure to find him right at the front. He's my man of war. If I'm retreating, he goes around and gets me in the rear. He keeps repeating a flank attack till victory is near. He's stormed my trench and he's not afraid. His bayonet makes me cry for aid. Oh, how he handles his hand grenade. He's my man of war. And when he turns his machine guns loose, then I surrender, for it's no use. He makes me throw off my flag of truce. He's my man of war.
I followed her into the west, where I had never been before, and never did she see me there. I stood there helpless and each night my resolution grows, and every day on a fight swore. Tonight I'll spend a year there. Tonight I'll knock upon her door. So clean and pressed and washed and dressed, I'd set out on my quest once more. Each night ended as the rest. I could not knock upon sun was sinking low. I heard a knocking at my door. Who's standing there with food for me? Standing there, my heart still high. Who said I thought you must be here? I missed you at my door tonight. Now you must eat and you must sleep. Nor rest the ocean to restore. I know one needs dishes here and now. Be sure to knock upon my door.
turns his machine guns loose, then I surrender, for it's no use. He makes me throw off my flag of truce. He's my man of war.
I followed the men to the west, where I had never been before, and never did she see me there. I stood there helpless and each night my resolution grows, and every day on I swore, tonight I'll spend an year. Tonight I'll knock upon her door, so clean and pressed and forced and dressed. I'd set out on my quest once more. Each night ended as the rest. I could not knock upon her door. I paced my room, I cursed myself. I swore that I would go no more. Then as the sun was sinking low, I heard a knocking at my door. Who's standing there before me? Standing there, my heart still high. Who said I thought you must be here? I missed you at my door tonight. Now you must eat and you must sleep. No resolution to restore. And when these dishes here is done, be sure to knock upon my door.
If I
Oh, the summer's in its prime, and the buds are richly blooming, and the wild mountain thyme all around us is happy evening. Oh, where we go, as we go, and we all go together to go on mountainside, all around the blooming heaven. Oh, where we go, as we go. I will build my love a bower by yon clear crystal fountain, and on it I will place all the flowers of the mountain. Will we go, as we go, and we'll all go together. And we'll all go together. Time to go on mountainside, all around the blooming heaven. Where we go, as we go. I will in the mountain dwell, by the deep glens of dreary, and return with my spoil to the bower of my dearie. Will we go, as we go, and we'll all go together to go on mountainside,
husband who was shorter. He wasn't any size at all, in fact you'd call him rather small. Standing on tiptoe he was able to rub noses with her navel. But even that began to fall, for he was really much too small. Her mother said the marriage night meant there would be much more excitement. But it was not that way at all, for he was really much too small. Her mother said for she had hoped that with persuasion he would rise to the occasion. If he would rise, then she would fall for a man who was so small. He wasn't like her other lovers. He got lost beneath the covers, as she couldn't find him there at all, for he was really much too small. If he were lost, there'd be a scandal, so she sought him with a candle, for she could hear the frantic call of the poor man who was so small. It was by candle of desire that she set the bed on fire, so that the bed became the home of the poor man who was so small. She got him out of this misfortune, but to hold him was so scorching. She had to wrap him in a shawl, for he was hot as well as small. And then she thought she would deposit him inside the water closet, thinking that this would make him cool, a little man who was so small. And then she pulled through force of habit, and it drowned him like a rabbit. There was a fizz, and that was all of the poor man who was so small. Pity the girl that weds a midget, who can do no more than fidget. You're tall, then never fall for one who is so small. A marriage to a pygmy leads to tragedy or big need. This is a story that is told about a man who was so small.
Well, jazz number. Oh, Fishermango Blues. Then you know it, sing it, and then you just la 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 long. And then you do the long on there.
Rock.
Very true, then, boy. Switch the orchestra here. You know, we're excited about that last song. Oh. Well, I do very well. Sing one more. I feel like that. Oh, tender